The Colombian nonprofit reproductive rights group Pro Familia said in 2024, more than 56,000 women in Colombia had access to a safe abortion through a clinic or a health professional. Pro Familia says that's an increase of 118%, a sign that women aren't putting themselves at risk with clandestine and dangerous abortions.
Before, women were looking to stop the pregnancy outside of the health system, without information and with bad advisors, and instead risking their life and their health. Today, these people can have an abortion in a secure way with health professionals.
In 2022, Colombia's Constitutional Court ruled that abortions beyond 24 weeks could be done under 3 circumstances: if the pregnancy is life-threatening for the mother, if it isn't viable, or if the pregnancy resulted from sexual violence. The ruling was a landmark decision in Latin American reproductive rights. Health professionals say they are seeing a positive change in more people seeking information about their options, but they say there is still a long way to go. La Mesa, a Colombian advocacy group that focuses on decriminalizing abortions, says before this ruling, women in Colombia were being punished for terminating pregnancy after cases of rape. A study published in 2022 showed there were an estimated 400 cases in Colombia every year against women who had decided to have an abortion, many of them minors.
And when we looked closely at these cases with the Andes University, we realized that 20% of these cases were against adolescents and minors who should have been protected by the right to an abortion because of a case of sexual violence.
Now that abortion is legal in Colombia, advocacy groups say educating health professionals and patients is important. There is still a lot of misinformation, including myths about terminating pregnancies. One of them is the story that if a woman has an abortion, she'll never be able to get pregnant again.
We have seen how these myths scare women away from legal and secure abortion services, and instead, they opt for clandestine abortions that put at risk their life and health.
The World Health Organization's effort to lower maternal deaths is focusing attention on unsafe abortions as an important and preventable cause. The World Health Organization says around 45% of abortions are unsafe. Begue, CGTN, Bogotá.